Ever pondered over the health benefits of soursop leaves in tea? Well, you're in for a treat as today. We're delving into the art of brewing a cup of tea with dried soursop leaves. Imagine sipping on a warm, soothing cup of tea that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also packs a punch of health benefits. That's what soursop leaves bring to your tea. A tropical plant, soursop has been hailed for its health benefits for centuries, and incorporating its leaves into your tea is an easy way to tap into its potential. So how do you go about it? The first step is to gather your ingredients. For this, you'll need a handful of dried soursop leaves and your favorite tea. Begin by boiling a pot of water. As the water starts to bubble, take a moment to inhale the steam, clearing your mind and preparing for the ritual of tea making. Next, add your preferred tea to the boiling water. Green tea, black tea, oolong, or even herbal tea. The choice is yours. Every tea brings its unique flavor profile, so choose one that you enjoy. As the tea leaves start to unfurl and release their aroma, it's time to introduce the star ingredient, the dried soursop leaves. Gently crumble the dried leaves into the pot, watching as they mix with the swirling tea. Allow everything to simmer together for a few minutes. The soursop leaves will infuse the tea with their distinct flavor and health properties, creating a brew that's both delicious and beneficial. Finally, strain the tea into your favorite cup, inhaling the fragrant steam before taking your first sip. The subtle notes of the soursop leaves will add a fresh twist to your tea, making it a delightful experience for your senses. Now it's your turn to try this at home. Experience the benefits of mixing dried soursop leaves with your tea and see how it elevates your daily cup of tea to a whole new level of health and flavor. And remember, you can always find premium quality dried soursop leaves at essentialhealthandhealingproducts.com.au. So why not give it a try? After all, a cup of tea is more than just a beverage, it's a moment of tranquility in your day. And with soursop leaves, it's also a step towards a healthier you.